This week has been a very exciting week. Our 1983 sound system in the auditorium has been trashed, and we are now in 2013. I am Will Woodruff. I am the band director and auditorium director of Wabash City Schools. It's our school's mission to provide our students the best possible opportunities we can, and now we're doing that in the auditorium.
So here we are at Wabash High School / Middle School in lovely Wabash, Indiana. We've just completed a 4-day project of installing a RoomMatch array system in the auditorium that's shared by both schools. On the loudspeaker side, we did use the Bose RoomMatch. I modeled the room using Bose modeler system and listened to it with Auditioner. RoomMatch was the right option in this situation. We needed a dual hang line array product that let us pattern control vertically and horizontally, which RoomMatch is the only one that does, so we can put the right coverage in the right areas of the room. We had a dead zone in the center that wasn't going to be covered by either array, so we had to position a downfill speaker. We ended up with a dual hang system with dual 15 sub on each side, a 70 by 20 box, and then 90 by 40 to shoot the downfill. So the modular auditioner system let me get to the point where I was comfortable with not only do I like how the speaker works, but will this speaker cover the room properly, give us good speech intelligibility, as well as great music support, and the system really does that. In the course of the installation, we did the 2 side arrays. When I say we, I mean Mike and Josh and Brad, because I stayed on the ground for this one. Did the 2 side arrays, and the hole in the front middle matched pretty much exactly what I had predicted with the modeler software. When we tuned the system, we used Smart. We did multiple passes throughout the room and then matched that for the center. And these are almost before we were done traces, but we did all the averaging and all the stuff that you use Smart for. So we have a smooth sound as you move into that kind of funky down center zone. It's very smooth. They've never been able to hear down before because they didn't have any loudspeakers covering with the old nasty PB horn system.
First time I heard it, there were actually only 3 of the 7 speakers on, and I was blown away. And now that the rest of it's in, it's just incredible.
The front end of the system is an Allen & Heath iLive. So a T80 Surface, which is over to my left, and a IDR 32 by 16 or whatever it is, rack unit. That is down on the stage. One of the issues here is they needed to be able to run sound system walking around the room instead of in the nasty little booth upstairs. We can run the Surface up there, but they were very intrigued by the iLive MixPad application for the iPad. So that's something else that we've done, is set them up with a wireless router so they can manage that mixer. So on the tail end of that is a ControlSpace, which is Bose DSP product. We have a couple of analog cards in it to manage input from the iLive and any other things that need to be done over time. But the outputs are light pipe out to 3 of the Bose PowerMatch 8500N networked amplifiers. So
the superintendent is very impressed so far. He hasn't been in to hear the final product yet, but we've also done the gym in the last 2 months, and crowd has responded very positively to that, and the fact that we can actually understand our announcer now.
You've heard me say before, you need this, you really do. The system is wonderful. It's a 950 seat auditorium. It sounds like a concert hall. It full on boogies. Give us a call. We'd be happy to bring you out here, let you experience it yourself.
Circle City has been great to work with. The staff has been very accommodating and very knowledgeable. And if you need a reference, stop by. We'll be glad to show you both systems. We love them.